We understand that persistent bloating can feel deeply frustrating and isolating, but did you know that this discomfort is often a direct signal from your body about a hidden low-grade inflammatory fire within your gut? This isn't merely about trapped gas, it's a critical message from your cells that something is fundamentally out of balance. The source of this internal fire can often be traced to our daily choices. However, nature has provided us with powerful tools to extinguish it. Enter two of the most studied botanicals in history, ginger and turmeric. The magic lies within their active compounds, gingerol in ginger and curcumin in turmeric. These aren't just flavourings, they are potent bioactive molecules that interact directly with our cellular machinery. When these compounds enter our system, they perform a crucial task. As highlighted by extensive research, including studies noted by medical experts at Johns Hopkins Medicine, curcumin directly interfaces with our body's inflammatory pathways. It helps to down-regulate the very proteins and enzymes that trigger the inflammatory cascade, effectively turning down the volume on the signals that lead to swelling, pain, and bloating in the gut. But their power is amplified when combined. Turmeric's curcumin is notoriously difficult for the body to absorb on its own. Ginger, however, not only has its own potent anti-inflammatory properties, but also enhances digestion and motility. Furthermore, the simple addition of black pepper, containing a compound called piperine, can increase curcumin's bioavailability by a staggering 2,000%. This synergy creates a truly formidable trio against digestive distress. Now let's translate this science into a simple daily practice. Creating this wellness shot is an act of profound self-care. You will need a 1-inch piece of fresh turmeric root, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, the juice of half a lemon, and a pinch of black pepper. Simply blend these ingredients with a small amount of water until smooth. There is no need to strain it. Consuming the fibre is beneficial for your microbiome. This is your daily dose of cellular support. Embracing this daily shot is the first step, but for profound, lasting change, we must build a comprehensive strategy. This is your grand resolution, a protocol to reclaim your digestive serenity. First, the morning elixir. Consume your ginger and turmeric shot on an empty stomach every morning. This allows the bioactive compounds to be absorbed rapidly without interference from other foods, directly targeting gut inflammation first thing. Second, you must actively feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Introduce 5 to 10 grams of prebiotic fibre daily. This isn't just any fibre, it's the specific food for microbes that produce anti-inflammatory, short-chain fatty acids. Excellent sources include 2 steamed asparagus spears, 1 small, slightly underripe banana, or a tablespoon of chicory root coffee. This actively shifts your microbiome away from gas-producing bacteria towards beneficial strains. Third, and this is non-negotiable, you must eliminate inflammatory triggers. The most pervasive culprit is processed foods high in refined vegetable and seed oils. These oils promote inflammatory pathways. For 1 week, eliminate all packaged snacks, fried foods, and commercial salad dressings. Replace them by cooking with avocado oil and using extra virgin olive oil for dressings. This 3-pronged approach, direct anti-inflammatory action, microbiome nourishment, and trigger elimination, creates an internal environment where bloating simply cannot thrive.